Justkidsanddad
Customs!
Yeah.
Hey guys, look at this. This is the Robert Pattinson from the Batman McFarlane Toys DC Multiverse. Today we're gonna be customizing this guy. I mean, like, he's a really good figure. The head sculpt, the body, everything, the boots, the armor, it's all really good. But we can make it even better by customizing it. Well, unfortunately his arm pad fell off, so we're gonna glue that in later. And I got a good feeling about this one.
So we're going to add this strap in here using a zip tie. This is a zip tie that's super small and super thin as also. And I think this is the right size for this arm straps. So we need to put this here and glue it using our super glue. And then afterwards, we'll proceed with priming it. Because if we put this after priming, then maybe the glue will not stick that much. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna measure this to length, like this one, and glue it.
Hey guys, so here we've dismantled all the parts with all the joints, with all the things we have here. Now we're going to wash it, like in the sink. We don't want to get this dust in the primer. I mean, like, that way it's not gonna look all, yeah.
And also the production chemicals that they put on them, right? So we need to remove that.
Yeah, we need to remove that too. I may have burned this thing a few times. I kind of learned it the hard way.
And then we cut the cape, right?
Yeah. Oh, right. My sister here showing the cape here. We had to kind of cut it off.
This at the back right here.
Yeah.
It's really good upright.
So just a recap of what we're going to do. We're going to wash it to take all the production chemicals off. We're gonna prime it, and base color, washes, dry brushing with the belt and everything. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do so far. Anyways, for now we're gonna wash it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ready? Hey! Fire! Okay guys, we're gonna be using the red black wash on our arm here. It seems a bit light. So I'm gonna get my sponge and my brush, put the wash on. Just like that. Tap it. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Look. Pretty satisfied how this turned out. Ow! Alright. Getting it onto the gauntlet a little.
one stroke going that way, okay? Going that way. Follow the line. Follow the line going here, look.
Like this?
Nice.
Okay, black wash. Here we go. Operation Black Wash is a go. Right, here we go. Need a sponge ready? Hey guys, just wanted to say that we've added a little extra detail on the arms. So like the strap right here, there, we put some silver there like a buckle, like a fastener. Makes it look really good. So I'm just gonna show you how we did it, like right on this other arm here. So the brown wash, here we go. Just open it there. Just dip it in. And then I just push on it. So step on the mud, the so-called mud we have here. And just stomp it on there. Look at that. It's a nice brown. finally completed our project on Robert Pattinson. I mean, like, I think it turned out really good. I think I was right about, I'm having a good feeling that this one's gonna look pretty nice. And yeah, I was right. I mean, like, look at this. Here's some things I really like. I mean, like, the face, it looks really realistic. It looks real. Yeah. And the chest straps, there's like, you see these chest straps right here? Right there? That's zip tie. I mean, like, who knew a zip tie could have a use like that? Same thing with the arm buckle right here. It's a strap right there, which is and a buckle in that thing that Robert Pattinson has. And the battle damage on his head. Yeah, that also emphasized that he's been battling like weathered and all, a really cool weathering technique. And our weathering for the boots, I mean, like, I really liked it. I mean, like, with the sponge, I mean, like, it worked like a really good method. It looks all dirty, like you just trudged through Gotham in mud and it's raining. And the details on the shoes, we put silver there because not all shoes, you know, like have those holes in the hooks and all. And the cape, the custom cape, I'd say this was a really good one. I mean, like, it wasn't too long or anything. And yeah, it stretches out just fine. And now we put him here with Ben Affleck. So now you can see you only have 2 customized McFarlane Toys so far. We're gonna get to the rest in other videos. But anyways, that's enough for now. Bye guys. See you next video.
Hey friends, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss any of our exciting videos. Bye bye. See you next time. Yeah.